My name is Bram. I'm a teacher at Open Learning and Media Design.
My name is Pieter Wels. I'm a teacher at the Open Learning track.
The assignment is about an interactive building.
The students were asked to think about the interaction with the building and try to figure out how the building and the people that are in the building, how the relationship could be enhanced.
They do research and they develop different prototypes and different interactions with people, with visitors of the building and the building itself. When you give the building like senses, like eyes, ears, taste maybe, smell, what does the building think of us? Is it happy that we're there? Or maybe it's not. What we're trying to do in the end is that we want to create different interactions in the basement of the building so the visitors of the Dutch Design Week can really experience these interactions.
The dynamic identity represents, on one hand, let's say the core values of the Innovation Lab itself, what it stands for, how it like to be visually presented, and on the other hand, how people should behave or should feel within a building context. And that is, to our opinion, it should be dynamic, it should be diverse, it should be personalized.
The Innovation Lab, well, it's already in the name. It's the innovation. And I think the only way to innovate is to try new, different stuff and ask different questions with different techniques, with different design. And I think that's what students are doing at this moment with this assignment.
It's not just static, but it's an interactive relation that you have with the building, with the identity, and it can change. You can personalize it, it can be interactive, it can be animated, so it's always recognizable as an identity, but it has diverse outputs.
The approach is different for each student because they have to decide themselves how they approach this assignment. We just only give them a few guidelines and the rest they have to do themselves. And I think that's the best way to learn for them and the most fun way to learn.
We really try to push them to think about creating value and try to see what's possible, to be bold, to be brave, and to think about this is really beneficial for me, but also beneficial for the stakeholder in this case.